Jiddu Krishnamurti quotes, "It is no measure of health to be well adjusted to a profoundly sick society. One is never afraid of the unknown, one is afraid of the known coming to an end. There is no end to education. It is not that you read a book, pass an examination, and finish with education. The whole of life, from the moment you are born to the moment you die, is a process of learning. Tradition becomes our society, and when the mind is secure, it is in decay. Die to everything of yesterday so that your mind is always fresh, always young, innocent, full of vigor and passion. If you begin to understand what you are without trying to change it, then what you are undergoes a transformation. The moment you have in your heart this extraordinary thing called love and feel the depth, the delight, the ecstasy of it, you will discover that for you the world is transformed. In oneself lies the whole world, and if you know how to look and learn, the door is there and the key is in your hand. Nobody on earth can give you either the key or the door to open except yourself. What is needed rather than running away or controlling or suppressing or any other resistance is understanding fear. That means watch it, learn about it, come directly into contact with it. We are to learn about fear, not how to escape from it. When you call yourself an Indian or a Muslim or a Christian or a European or anything else, you are being violent. Do you see why it is violent? Because you are separating yourself from the rest of mankind. When you separate yourself by belief, by nationality, by tradition, it breeds violence. We are second hand people. We have lived on what we have been told, either guided by our inclinations, our tendencies, or compelled to accept by circumstances and environment. We are the result of all kinds of influences, and there is nothing new in us, nothing that we have discovered for ourselves, nothing original, pristine, clear. No one can live without relationship. You may withdraw into the mountains, become a monk or sannyasi, wander off into the desert by yourself, but you are related. You cannot escape from that absolute fact. You cannot exist in isolation. With increasing age, dullness of mind and heart sets in. We all want to be famous people, and the moment we want to be something, we are no longer free. Meditation is to be aware of every thought and of every feeling, never to say it is right or wrong, but just to watch it and move with it. In that watching, you begin to understand the whole movement of thought and feeling, and out of this awareness comes silence. When I understand myself, I understand you, and out of that understanding comes love. Freedom from the desire for an answer is essential to the understanding of a problem. When the mind is empty, silent, when it is in a state of complete negation, which is not blankness, nor the opposite of being positive, but a totally different state in which all thought has ceased. Only then is it possible for that which is unnameable to come into being. When one travels around the world, one notices to what an extraordinary degree human nature is the same, whether in India or America, in Europe or Australia. All ideologies are idiotic, whether religious or political, for it is conceptual thinking, the conceptual world, which has so unfortunately divided man. It is really very important while you are young to live in an environment in which there is no fear. Most of us, as we grow older, become frightened. We are afraid of living, afraid of losing a job, afraid of tradition, afraid of what the neighbors or what the wife or husband would say, afraid of death. What religion a man holds, to what race he belongs, these things are not important. The really important thing is this knowledge, the knowledge of God's plan for man, for God has a plan, and that plan is evolution. Have you not noticed that love is silence? It may be while holding the hand of another, or looking lovingly at a child, or taking in the beauty of an evening. Love has no past or future, and so it is with this extraordinary state of silence. In seeking comfort, we generally find a quiet corner in life where there is a minimum of conflict, and then we are afraid to step out of that seclusion. We never look deeply into the quality of a tree. We never really touch it, feel its solidity, its rough bark, and hear the sound that is part of the tree, not the sound of wind through the leaves, not the breeze of a morning that flutters the tree leaves, but its own sound, the sound of the trunk and the silent sound of the roots. If we can really understand the problem, the answer will come out of it, because the answer is not separate from the problem. Listening has importance only when one is not protecting one's own desire through which one listens. The constant assertion of belief is an indication of fear. Can the mind see the truth of its own incapacity to know the unknown? Surely I see very clearly that my mind cannot know the unknown. There is absolute quietness. All of us have been trained by education and environment to seek personal gain and security and to fight for ourselves. Though we cover it over with pleasant phrases, we have been educated for various professions within a system which is based on exploitation and executive fear. Religion is the frozen thought of a man out of which they build temples. You must understand the whole of life, not just one little part of it. That is why you must read, that is why you must look at the skies, that is why you must sing and dance and write poems and suffer and understand, for all that is life. A man who is not afraid is not aggressive. A man who has no sense of fear of any kind is really a free, a peaceful man. I maintain that truth is a pathless land and you cannot approach it by any path whatsoever, by any religion, by any sect. Truth cannot be brought down, rather, the individual must make the effort to ascend to it. You cannot bring the mountain top to the valley. If you would attain to the mountain top, you must pass through the valley, climb the steeps, unafraid of the dangerous precipices. The question of whether or not there is a God or truth or reality or whatever you like to call it can never be answered by books, by priests, philosophers, or saviors. Nobody and nothing can answer the question but you yourself, and that is why you must know yourself. Immaturity lies only in total ignorance of the self. This is love. The flowering of love is meditation. To live is to find out for yourself what is true, and you can do this only when there is freedom, when there is continuous revolution inwardly within yourself. The end is the beginning of all things, suppressed and hidden, awaiting to be released through the rhythm of pain and pleasure. If we depend for our happiness on another, on society, or on environment, they become essential to us. We cling to them, and any alteration of these we violently oppose because we depend upon them for our psychological security and comfort. It is violence when we use a sharp word, when we make a gesture to brush away a person. So, violence is not merely organized butchery in the name of God, in the name of society or country. Violence is much more subtle, much deeper. The environment that we call society is created by past generations. We accept it as it helps us to maintain our greed, possessiveness, illusion. Love is the missing factor. There is a lack of affection, of warmth in relationship, and because we lack that love, that tenderness, that generosity, that mercy in relationship, we escape into mass action, which produces further conclusion, further misery. Have you ever asked yourself what you are going to do when you grow up? In all likelihood, you will get married, and before you know where you are, you will be mothers and fathers, and you will then be tied to a job or to the kitchen in which you will gradually wither away. Is that all that your life is going to be? We are domesticated animals revolving in a cage which we have built for ourselves, with its contentions, wranglings, its impossible political leaders, its gurus who exploit our self conceit and their own with great refinement, or rather crudely. Truth being limitless, unconditioned, unapproachable by any path whatsoever, cannot be organized, nor should any organization be formed to lead or to coerce people along any particular path. If you first understand that, you will see how impossible it is to organize a belief. It is odd that we have so little relationship with nature, with the insects and the leaping frog and the owl that hoots among the hills, calling for its mate. We never seem to have a feeling for all living things on the earth. If we could establish a deep, abiding relationship with nature, we would never kill an animal for our appetite. We would never harm monkey, a dog, a guinea pig for our benefit. We would find other ways to heal our wounds, heal our bodies. A consistent thinker is a thoughtless person because he conforms to a pattern. He repeats phrases and things in a group. Man has throughout the ages been seeking something beyond himself, beyond material welfare, something we call truth or God or reality, a timeless state, something that cannot be disturbed by circumstances, by thought, or by human corruption. Why does your mind conform? Have you ever asked, are you aware that you are conforming to a pattern? It doesn't matter what that pattern is, whether you have established a pattern for yourself or it has been established for you. In this constant battle, which we call living, we try to set a code of conduct according to the society in which we are brought up, whether it be a communist society or a so called free society. We accept a standard of behavior as part of our tradition as Hindus or Muslims or Christians or whatever we happen to be. Meditation is not following any system, it is not constant repetition and limitation. Meditation is not concentration. We do not know what love is. We know the symptoms of it, the pleasure, the pain, the fear, the anxiety, and so on. We try to solve the symptoms, which becomes a wandering in darkness. We spend our days and nights in this, and it is soon over in death. For most of us, relationship with another is based on dependence, either economic or psychological. This dependence creates fear, breeds in us possessiveness, results in friction, suspicion, frustration. Life cannot be without relationship, but we have made it so agonizing or hideous by basing it on personal and possessive love. Can one love and yet not possesses? You will find the true answer not in escape, ideals, beliefs, but through the understanding of the causes of dependence and possessiveness. So, when you are listening to somebody completely attentively, then you are listening not only to the words but also to the feeling of what is being conveyed, to the whole of it, not part of it. A belief is purely an individual matter, and you cannot and must not organize it. If you do, it becomes dead, crystallized, it becomes a creed, a sect, a religion to be imposed on others. You may be able to read Bernard Shaw's plays. You may be able to quote Shakespeare or Voltaire or some new philosopher. But if you in yourself are not intelligent, if you are not creative, what is the point of this education? If you have fear, you are bound by tradition. You follow some leader or guru. When you are bound by tradition, when you are afraid of your husband or your wife, you lose your dignity as an individual human being. Meditation is a state of mind which looks at everything with complete attention, totally not just part of it, and no one can teach you how to be attentive. If any system teaches you how to be attentive, then you are attentive to the system, and that is not attention. Organized murder is war, and though we demonstrate against a particular war, the nuclear or any other kind of war, we have never demonstrated against war. I want to do a certain thing in the world, and I am going to do it with unwavering concentration. I am concerning myself with only one essential thing to set man free. I desire to free him from all cages, from all fears, and not to find religion, new sects, not to establish new theories and new philosophies. You may be educated abroad, you may be a great scientist, politician, but you always have a sneaking fear that if you don't go to temples or do the extraordinary things that you have been told to do, something evil might happen. So you conform. What happens to the mind that conforms? Investigate it, please. Life is relationship. Living is relationship. We cannot live it if you and I have built a wall around ourselves and just peep over that wall occasionally, unconsciously, deeply under the wall we are related. If one has fear, there can be no initiative in the creative sense of the word. To have initiative in this sense is to do something original, to do it spontaneously, naturally, without being guided, forced, controlled. It is to do something which you love to do. When we talk about understanding, surely it takes place only when the mind listens completely, the mind being your heart, your nerves, your ears, when you give your whole attention to it. Is it not important to find out how to listen, not only to what is being said, but to everything, to the noise in the streets, to the chatter of birds, to the noise of the tramcar, to the restless sea, to the voice of your husband, to your wife, to your friends, to the cry of a baby. If you listen through the screen of your desires, then you obviously listen to your own voice. You are listening to your own desires. The movement of search can only be from the known to the known, and all that the mind can do is to be aware that this movement will never uncover the known. Any movement on the part of the known is still within the field of the known. When you draw or paint a tree, you do not imitate the tree. You do not copy it exactly as it is, which would be mere photography. To be free to paint a tree or a flower or a sunset, you have to feel that it conveys to you the significance, the meaning of it. Meditation demands an astonishingly alert mind. It is the understanding of the totality of life in which every form of fragmentation has ceased. Truth is a pathless land. Hari Om Tat Sat. Meditation is a state of mind which looks at everything with complete attention, totally not just part of it, and no one can teach you how to be attentive. If any system teaches you how
different
to be
states
attentive,
in which
then
all
you are
thought has
attentive to the
ceased.
system,
Only
and
then
that is not
is it
attention.
possible for that
Organized
which is
murder is war,
unnamable to
and
come
though
into
we
being.
demonstrate
When
against a
one
particular
travels around
war,
the world,
the nuclear
one
or any
notices
other kind of
what an
war, we have
extraordinary
never
degree
demonstrated
human nature
against
is the
war.
same, whether in
I want
India
to do
or
a certain thing
America,
in the
in
world,
Europe
and
or
I am going to
Australia.
do it with
All
unwavering
ideologies
concentration.
are
I am
idiotic,
concerning myself
whether
with
religious
only one
or
essential thing:
political,
to
for
set
it
man
is
free.
conceptual
I desire to
thinking,
free him
the
from all
conceptual
cages,
world,
from all
which
fears,
has
and not to
so
find
unfortunately
religion,
divided man.
new sects, not to
It is
establish
really
new
very
theories
important
and new
while
philosophies.
you are young to
You may
live
be educated
in an
abroad, you
environment
may
in
be a
which
great
there is no
scientist,
fear.
politician, but
Most
you
of
always
us,
have
as
a
we grow
sneaking
older,
fear that
become
if you
frightened.
don't go to
We are
temples
afraid of
or do
living,
the
afraid
extraordinary
of
things
losing a
that
job,
you have
afraid
been
of
told to
tradition,
do,
afraid
something
of what
evil
the
might
neighbors
happen.
or
So you
what the
confirm
wife or
what
husband
happens to
would
the
say,
mind that
afraid of
confirms.
death.
Investigate it,
What
please.
religion a man
Life
holds,
is
to what
relationship.
race he
Living
belongs,
is
these things
relationship.
are not
We
important.
cannot live
The
it
really
if
important
you
thing is
and
this
I have
knowledge,
built a
the
wall
knowledge
around
of God's
ourselves
plan for
and
man.
just peep over
For God
that
has a
wall
plan, and
occasionally,
that plan is
unconsciously,
evolution.
deeply under the wall, we
Have
are
you not
related.
noticed
If one has
that love
fear,
is silence?
there can be no
It may
initiative
be
in
while
the
holding the
creative
hand
sense
of
of the word.
another, or looking
To have
lovingly at a child,
initiative in this
or
sense
taking in the
is to
beauty
do
of a
something
view.
original,
Love
to
has
do
no
it
past or future,
spontaneously,
and so
naturally, without
it is
being
with this
guided, forced,
extraordinary
controlled.
state of
It
silence.
is to do
In
something
seeking
which you
comfort,
love to
we
do.
generally find a quiet
When we
corner in
talk
life
about
where
understanding,
there is a
surely
minimum
it
of
takes
conflict,
place
and then we
only
are
when the
afraid to
mind
step
listens
out of that
completely, the mind
seclusion.
being your heart,
We
your
never
nerves,
look
your
deeply
ears,
into the
when
quality
you
of a
give
tree.
your
We
whole
never
attention
really
to
touch
it.
it, feel its
Is it not
solidity,
important to
its
find
soft
out how
bark,
to
and
listen,
hear the sound
not only
that
to
is part
what
of
is
the
being
tree,
said, but
not
to
the sound of
everything,
wind
to the
through the
noise
leaves,
in the
not
streets,
the
to
breeze
the chatter of
of
birds,
morning that
to the noise
flutters
of the
the tree
tramcar, to
leaves,
the restless
but its
sea,
own
to the voice
sound,
of your
the sound
husband,
of
to
the
your
ground,
wife, to
and the
your
silent
friends,
sound
to
of
the
the roots.
cry of a baby.
If we can really
If you
understand the
listen
problem,
through
the
the
answer
screen
will
of your
come out of
desires,
it,
then you
because the answer
obviously
is not
listen to
separate
your
from the
own
problem.
voice. You are
Listening has
listening to your
importance
own
only
desires.
when
The
one
movement of
in
search
is
can
not
only be from
protecting one's
the
own
known to the
desire
known,
through
and
which
all
one
that the
listens.
mind can do
The
is to
constant
be aware
assertion
that
of
this
belief
movement will
is
never
an
uncover the
indication of
known.
fear.
Any movement
Can
on
the
the
mind
part
see the
of
truth
the known
of
is
its
still
own
within the
incapacity
field
to
of
know
the
the
known.
unknown?
When you
Surely I
draw
see very
or paint a
clearly
tree,
that my
you
mind
do not
cannot know the unknown.
imitate the
There is
tree. You
absolute
do not copy it
quietness.
exactly
All
as
of
it
us
is,
have
which
been
would be
trained
mere
by
photography.
education
To
and
be free to
environment
paint
to
a
seek
tree
personal gain
or a
and
flower
security
or a
and
sunset,
to
you
fight
have to
for
feel that
ourselves,
it conveys to you
though we
the
cover it over
significance,
with
the meaning of
Latin
it.
phrases. We have
Meditation
been
demands
educated for
an
various professions
astonishingly
within a system
alert mind.
which is
It is
based
the
on
understanding of the
exploitation
totality
and
of life,
appetitive fear.
in which every
Religion
form
is the
of
frozen thought of
fragmentation
a
has
man
ceased.
out of which
Truth
they
is
build
a
temples. You
pathless
must
land.
understand the whole of
Hari
life,
Om
not
Tat Sat.
just one little part of it. That
Meditation
is
is
why
a
you
state
must
of
read.
mind
That
which
is
looks
why
at
you must look
everything
at the
with complete
skies.
attention,
That is why you
totally
must sing
not
and
just part
dance
of it,
and write
and no one
poems
can teach
and
you
suffer and
how to be
understand.
attentive.
For
If
all
any
that is
system
life,
teaches you
a
how to
man
be
who
attentive,
is not
then
afraid
you are
is not
attentive to the
aggressive.
system,
A
and
man
that is
who
not
has no
attention.
sense of fear of any
Organized
kind
murder
is really
is
a
war,
free, a
and
peaceful
though
man.
we demonstrate
I
against a
maintain that
particular
truth
war,
is a
the
pathless
nuclear or any
land
other
and
kind
you
of
cannot
war.
approach it
We have
by
never
any path
demonstrated against war.
whatsoever, by any religion,
I want to
by
do a
any
certain
sect.
thing in the
Truth
world,
cannot be
and I
brought
am going
down,
to do it
rather, the
with
individual must make
unwavering
the effort to
concentration.
ascend
I
to
am
it. You
concerning
cannot
myself
bring
with
the
only one
mountain top
essential
to the
thing:
valley.
to set
If
man
you would
free.
attain
I
to the
desire to
mountain
free
top,
him from
you
all
must
cages,
pass
from
through the
all
valley,
fears, and
climb
not to
the
find
steeps,
religion,
unafraid
new
of
sects,
the
not to
dangerous
establish new theories and
precipices.
new philosophies.
The question of
You
whether
may be
or not
educated
there
abroad,
is a God
you may be
or
a great
truth or
scientist,
reality or
politician, but you
whatever you like
always
to
have
call
a
it
sneaking
can never
fear
be
that if you
answered
don't
by
go to
books,
temples
by
or do
priests,
the extraordinary
philosophers,
things
or
that you
saviors.
have been
Nobody
told to
and
do,
nothing can answer
something
the
evil
question but
might
you
happen.
yourself,
So you
and that is
confirm.
why you
What
must know
happens to the
yourself.
mind that
Immaturity
confirms?
lies only
Investigate
in
it,
total
please.
ignorance of the self.
Life is
This
relationship.
is love.
Living
The
is
flowering of
relationship.
love is
We
meditation.
cannot live it
To live
if
is to
you
find out
and
for
I have
yourself
built a wall
what is
around
true,
ourselves
and you can
and
do
just
this
peep over
only
that
when
wall
there is freedom,
occasionally,
when there is
unconsciously.
continuous
Deeply
revolution
under the wall,
inwardly
we are
within
related.
yourself.
If
The
one
end
has
is the
fear,
beginning of
there
all
can be
things,
no initiative
suppressed
in
and
the
hidden,
creative sense of the
awaiting to
word.
be released
To
through
have
the plenum
initiative
of
in
pain
this
and
sense
pleasure.
is to do
If we
something
depend
original,
for
to
our
do it
happiness on another,
spontaneously,
on
naturally, without
society,
being
or on
guided,
environment,
forced, controlled.
they become
It
essential
is
to us.
to do
We
something
cling to
which you
them,
love
and
to do.
any alteration
When we
of
talk
these
about
we
understanding,
violently oppose
surely it
because
takes
we
place
depend upon them
only when the
for our
mind listens
psychological
completely,
security
the
and
mind being
comfort.
your heart,
It is
your nerves,
violence when
your
we use a
ears,
sharp
when
word,
you give
when
your
we make a
whole
gesture to
attention to
brush
it.
away a person.
Is
So
it not
violence is
important to
born
find
when
out
we
how to
organize
listen,
butchery in
not
the name
only
of
to
God,
what is
in
being
the name
said,
of
but to
society or
everything,
country?
to the noise
Violence is
in
much
the
more
streets,
subtle,
to the
much
chatter of
deeper.
birds, to
The
the noise of
environment
the
that we call
tramcar,
society is
to the
created
restless
by
sea,
past
to the voice of your
generations. We
husband, to
accept
your
it
wife,
as it
to your
helps us
friends,
to
to
maintain
the
our greed,
cry of a baby.
possessiveness, illusion.
If you
Love
listen
is the
through
missing
the
factor.
screen of your
There is a lack
desires,
of
then
affection,
you
of
obviously
warmth in
listen to
relationship,
your own
and
voice.
because we
You
lack
are
that
listening
love,
to your
that
own
tenderness,
desires.
that
The
generosity,
movement of
that
search
mercy in
can only
relationship,
be
we
from
escape
the
into
known
mass
to the
action,
known,
which
and all
produces
that the
further
mind can
confusion,
do is
further
to be
misery.
aware that
Have
this
you ever
movement will
asked
never
yourself
uncover the known.
what
Any
you are
movement on
going
the
to
part
do
of
when
the
you
known
grow up?
is still
In
within
all
the
likelihood,
field of the known.
you
When you
will get
draw
married,
or paint a
and
tree,
before
you do
you
not
know where you are,
imitate
you
the
will
tree.
be mothers
You
and
do not
fathers,
copy it
and you
exactly
will
as it
then be
is,
tied
which
to
would
a
be
job
mere
or to the
photography.
kitchen
To be
in
free
which
to
you will
paint a
gradually
tree
wither
or
away.
a
Is
flower
that
or a
all that your
sunset,
life is
you
going to
have to
be?
feel that it
We are
conveys to you the
domesticated animals
significance, the meaning of
evolving in
it.
a cage which
Meditation
we have
demands
built for
an
ourselves, with its
astonishingly
contentious
alert mind.
wranglings,
It is
its
the
impossible
understanding
political
of the
leaders,
totality of
its
life
gurus
in
who
which
exploit
every
our
form
self
of
conceit and
fragmentation
their
has
own
ceased.
with great
Truth
refinement,
is a
or rather crudely.
pathless land.
Truth being
Hari
limitless,
Om Tat Sat.
unconditioned, unapproachable
Meditation is
by
a
any
state of
path
mind which looks
whatsoever,
at
cannot be
everything with
organized,
complete
nor
attention,
should any
totally, not
organization
just part of
be
it,
formed
and
to
no one
lead
can teach
or
you
to
how to be
coerce
attentive.
people
If any
along any
system teaches
particular
you
path.
how to
If
be
you first
attentive, then
understand
you
that,
are
you
attentive
will
to
see
the
how
system,
impossible
and that is not
it is to
attention.
organize a belief.
Organized
It is
murder is
odd
war,
that we
and
have
though we
so little
demonstrate
relationship
against
with
a
nature,
particular war,
with the
the
insects
nuclear
and
or
the
any
leaping
other
frog
kind of war,
and the owl
we have never
that hoots
demonstrated
among
against
the hills,
war.
calling for its
I
mate.
want to
We
do a
never
certain
seem
thing
to
in
have
the
a
world,
feeling
and
by
I am
all
going to
living
do
things
it with
on the earth.
unwavering
If we could
concentration. I am
establish a deep,
concerning
abiding
myself with
relationship with
only one
nature,
essential
we
thing:
would
to
never
set
kill
man
an
free.
animal for
I
our
desire to free
appetite.
him from
We
all
would never
cages,
harm
from all fears,
a
and not to
monkey,
find
a dog, a
religion,
guinea
new
killed
sects, not
for
to
our
establish
benefit.
new
We
theories
would
and
find
new
other ways to
philosophies.
heal our wounds,
You may be
heal
educated
our
abroad,
bodies.
you
A
may be a
consistent
great
thinker
scientist,
is
politician,
a
but you
thoughtless
always
person
have a
because he
sneaking fear that
conforms
if you
to
don't
a
go to
pattern. He
temples
repeats
or do
phrases
the
and things
extraordinary
in a
things
group.
that you have
Man has
been told to do, something
throughout the
evil
ages
might
been
happen.
seeking
So
something
you
beyond
conform.
himself,
What
beyond
happens to the
material
mind
welfare,
that
something we
conforms?
call truth
Investigate
or
it,
God or
please.
reality, a
Life
timeless
is
state,
relationship. Living
something
is
that
living
cannot be disturbed
relationship.
by
We
circumstances,
cannot
by
live it
God
if
or
you
by human
and I
corruption.
have built a
Why
wall
does your
around
mind
ourselves
conform?
and just
Have
peep
you ever
over
asked,
that wall
are you aware
occasionally,
that you are conforming
unconsciously, deeply
to a
under the
pattern?
wall
It
we are
doesn't matter
related.
what that
If one
pattern
has
is,
fear,
whether you
there
have
can be no
established a pattern
initiative in
for
the creative
yourself
sense of the
or
word.
it has been
To
established
have
for you.
initiative in
If
this
this
sense
constant
is to
pattern,
do something
which we
original, to
call
do it
living, we try to
spontaneously,
set a code
naturally, without
of
being guided,
conduct
forced,
according to the
controlled.
society
It
in which
is
we
to do
are brought up,
something which you
whether
love
it
to
be
do.
a communist
When we
society
talk
or a
about
so-called
understanding,
free
surely
society,
it takes
we
place
accept a standard
only
of
when the
behavior
mind listens
as part of
completely,
our
the mind being
tradition
your
as
heart,
Hindus
your
or
nerves,
Muslims
your
or
ears, when
Christians
you give
or
your
whatever we
whole
happen to be.
attention to it.
Meditation is
Is
not
it
following
not
any
important to
system.
find out
It is
how to
not
listen,
constant repetition
not only to
and
what is
limitation.
being said, but to everything, to
Meditation
the
is not
noise in the
concentration.
streets, to
We
the
do not
chatter of
know what
birds,
love
to
is.
the noise of
We
the
know the
tramcar,
symptoms of
to
it,
the
the
restless
pleasure,
sea,
the pain,
to the
the
voice
fear,
of your
the
husband,
anxiety,
to
and
your
so on.
wife, to your
We
friends,
try to
to
solve the
the cry
symptoms,
of a baby.
which becomes a
If
wandering
you
in
listen
darkness.
through
We
the
spend
screen
our
of your
days
desires,
and nights
then
in
you
this,
obviously
and it is
listen to
so
your
for
own
one till
voice.
death.
You are
For most
listening
of
to
us,
your own
relationship with
desires.
another is
The
based
movement
on
of search
dependence,
can
either
only be
economic
from
or
the known
psychological.
to the
This
known, and
dependence
all
creates
that the
fear,
mind can
breeds
do
in us
is to be aware
possessiveness,
that this
results in
movement will
friction,
never uncover the
suspicion,
known. Any
frustration.
movement on the part
Life
of
cannot
the
be
known
without
is still
relationship,
within
but
the
we have
field of
made
the
it
known.
so
When you
agonizing
draw
or
or paint
hideous
a tree,
by
you
basing
do
it
not
on personal and
imitate the
possessive
tree.
love.
You do
Can
not
one love
copy it
and yet
exactly
not
as it
possessive?
is,
You
which
will
would be
find the
mere
true answer
photography.
not in
To be
history,
free to paint a
ideals,
tree
beliefs,
or
but
a
through the
flower or a
understanding
sunset,
of the causes
you have
of
to feel
dependence
that
and
it conveys to
possessiveness.
you the
So, when you
significance,
are
the meaning
listening to
of it.
somebody
Meditation
completely
demands
attentively,
an
then you are listening not
astonishingly
only to the words
alert
but
mind.
also to
It
the
is the
feeling of what is
understanding
being
of the
conveyed
totality
to
of
the whole
life
of it,
in
not
which
part of
every
it.
form
A
of
belief is
fragmentation
purely an
has ceased.
individual matter,
Truth
and
is
you
a
cannot and must
pathless
not
land.
organize it. If
Hari
you do,
Om Tat
it
Sat.
becomes dead,
Meditation
crystallized,
is a
it
state of
becomes a
mind
creed,
which looks
a
at
sect, a
everything with
religion
complete
to be
attention,
imposed on others.
totally, not just
You
part
may
of
be
it,
able to
and
read
no one can
Bernard
teach you
Shaw's
how to
plays.
be
You may
attentive.
be
If
able to
any
quote
system teaches
Shakespeare
you
or
how to be
Voltaire
attentive,
or
then
some
you are
philosopher.
attentive to the
But if
system,
you in
and that
yourself
is not
are not
attention.
intelligent, if you
Organized
are
murder
not
is
creative,
war,
what is
and
the
though
point of
we
this
demonstrate
education?
against a
If
particular
you have
war,
fear,
the nuclear
you are
or
bound
any
by
other kind of
tradition.
war,
You
we
follow
have
some
never
leader or guru.
demonstrated against
When you
war.
are bound by tradition,
I
when
want to
you
do
are
a
afraid
certain
of
thing
your
in the
husband
world,
or your
and
wife,
I am going to
you
do
lose your
it with
dignity as an
unwavering
individual
concentration. I
human
am
being.
concerning myself with only one essential